Hey everyone, it's your girl Jussie, and yes, I got flooded out, guys. So guys, go ahead, thumbs up the video, like, share, tell a friend, and guys, let's get down to it. It's a clean with me. Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Jussie, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So we are in my bathroom. It's Sunday clean with me. My light is on, obviously. Right, I want to thank you all for all the likes and continue to share the video. Yes, the bathroom is it's heated, right? My bathroom is fairly small, all right, and just about to take down everything in the bathroom. I'm going to show you all how it's looking. We are about to clean the bathroom. I took up all the mats for me, just left the little knickknacks and stuff like that. I have to take down the inner shower to be washed, right? This is going to be changed out eventually, all right, and I'm going to put up a new one, but not now. So that's going to be done. The theme in the bathroom is basically red and cream, or red and gold, as the case may be. I'm staying with that right through the end of the year, okay? But there are more things that are coming down. I'm gonna, be explaining piece by piece, bit by bit. There is still that hole in my wall that is yet to be done, due to the fact that I got some guys to come in, and I had a little leak, not in the bathroom, but on the other side of the bathroom, which is the wash area, and that hole remains. So I say that I'm gonna see about that wall. I'm not gonna bring anybody in to do that. I'm gonna do that myself, but it's not gonna be now. All right, other than that, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you for tuning in, and thank you for thumbsing up my video and liking. Like I say, it's all good. So I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking, and yeah, guys, stay tuned. So this is my bathroom. All right, gotta take down some things and change it around. So yeah, this whitish inner the shower curtain I was talking about, so I've got to change that. All right, so these things are just gonna come out. I'm gonna take up all these things, and yeah, the bathroom definitely have to be clean. This is my toilet area, okay. I got someone to fix the bottom of the toilet, and it's used with lizards. So if anybody know that they have lizards in their home, could you all let me know? All right, so that's in my bathroom, okay. All right, yeah, that's the hole I'm talking about. Yeah, gotta empty my bin. All right, so yeah, guys, journey with me. All right, so guys, yeah, I took out everything from in my bathroom. All right, almost everything is done. All right, sprayed, and I'm in the process of sweeping. All right, so yeah, sprayed down everything. Still to take off some marks to take off from on my wall, but yeah, sweeping, and I'm gonna vacuum. Yeah, who doesn't just spray something around my toilet bowl? guys, I'm just using a little bit of this. This is the remainder of what it have. Just to more or less, you know, just spray it in the bathroom on the tiles and on the floors when I'm ready to give it a nice little scrub. I'm also using a bit of this also, not too much. I'm using a little bit of this too, just a little. Have bleach in it. So guys, here is where I'm scrubbing my wall with the broom first, right? So I'm doing that, after which I would start to scrub the floors. I'm using this, right? But this have Fabuloso in it, just to tone down the scent a bit. You understand? Too much of bleach ain't good for you. Alright? So guys, I throw water on the ground in my toilet. All right, there is water in there. All right, there is water. I throw it on my wall. So guys, would you believe I had this mop for over 4 years since I got my home? And this mop seizes on me, like literally seized on me. I was so frustrated, plus the ground was already wet, right? Drenched in water. To make it worse yet, I told myself this will never happen again. So I'm going to purchase a OC them up. That's the one that does pump. It is called medicated people. Take your painkillers for your back before you do any hard work. Medicate yourself. Alright guys, yeah, it's just that I had to do what I had to do. My bathroom had to be clean, you know, so I had to bend and scrub and all this sort of thing. Of course, eventually when I finished, my back was sore. Guys, you didn't see the size of me, ticky tick tick. So yeah. So guys, the bathroom and toilet area is cleaned. I took these out of the dryer, so on the toilet side I'm going to put it black, okay, and on the bathroom side I'm going to put the red. So this is how it's looking, guys. Okay, everything is cleaned and I gotta put back the things there. All right. So guys, I got some fluff on the mat. I'm gonna take that out in a bit. All right, here's where I put the black. Okay, just continuing the theme, you know, from outside in the living room onto the in our bathroom. So guys, I put on the mat. The mat is on. All right, and I still have there to see about. All right, I have the mirror to wipe down and clean. So here is cleaned. Okay, on the side is black. All right, that curtain there, I hope you guys can see. The curtain there has to come down. All right, but this is how here is looking, and I'm really sweating. So the bathroom is cleaned. All right guys, just gotta put back everything and call it a day. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the final footage of how my bathroom is looking. All right, so stay tuned to that. So guys, my back is killing me. All right, but the bathroom I had to clean that bathroom. Other than that, yeah, just to put back everything, just the basics, you know, the towels and everything else has to go back in the bathroom. I am a bit tired. When I'm finished, I am going to get something to eat, nothing big. And yeah, so guys, I'm just spraying a little bit of this. Normally I spray it inside the toilet bowl. All right, in a nutshell, everything is put back together. Toilet paper there. Okay, everything is there.
Yeah, then she pushed it.
Yeah, you gotta excuse that hole. I gotta fix that myself.
Oh, those are pigs.
So my bathroom is clean. All right. So that's it there. All right.
Hold on, look. I don't know if I can fix it. I don't think you can. I think, or water or something.
So guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Remember to thumbs up the video, friend, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. I may have a short video to put up, nothing to talk about, but you all will see what I'm talking about eventually. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and love in the house. Be safe, cover your kids, guys, mothers, that is, talk to your children and allow them to know who God is. So keep loving the video, keep sharing it, keep thumbsing up, keep viewing. All right, bye everyone, blessings flow. As a matter of fact, we're gonna unbox this together. All right, so we're gonna unbox it together. So that we're unboxing it. Wow. Woo! So if you all don't know, now you all gonna know. long. This is my coat, guys. This is my winter coat. Now the other one that I had gave it to my sister because she is now in England. Alright, so this is my new winter coat and I'm loving it because yes guys, I will be traveling. And you know, sometimes you need to get away, sometimes you need to do a little retrospect within your life and that sort of thing. Yes, being in Trinidad nothing isn't wrong with that, but for me, I think I need to be in a different environment. And for me, this here is just getting out and doing things differently and that sort of thing. So this is my coat, guys. Well, you all know that I'm ticky tick. So you guys know that I'm tick. And it's a 4X. It's a what? Wiven, made in China. So we're gonna try it on. Okay, we're gonna try it on. Woo, just right. Plus I have my gloves already and my hands are really small. So my gloves is basically, it's very heavy. My gloves is small, got small hands. Alright, and I already have my headpiece, which is a knitted hat. I'm not going to use my son's on because really and truly I don't know where the hell he put it. Alright, so this is the coat and it's long. Once I am covered, I am good. Once I feeling cool, I am good. I don't care if I look like a Oompa Loompa. I really don't care, to each his own. Alright? But I'm loving it. It's a long coat. And I'm short, people. You guys know that I'm 4'11". So this... We're gonna button it up. There is pockets at the side. Oh, guys. You guys. There is pockets at the side. Alright. I love the fit. I love the coziness. And yeah. Alright. So, there you guys have it. There you guys know. So, one down. Many others to go. So I have my coat and it's really alright. So that's it there in a nutshell. My son got it off of Amazon and I think it's about 49 something, 50, could be a little more US, that is. And I know you guys gonna do your all maths on it. But yes guys. So let's just chat a bit. I just needed to come out of here and just woosah myself a bit, you know. 2024 has been a up down rough patch for me when it comes to my channel, when it comes to my personal life, because I wouldn't put everything out there, but I will put some things. And like you all saw a previous video I did, saying that I'm fed up, you know. As a woman, and as a woman, you know, we tend to do things for the people that we care about and the people that we love, and go the distance. All women does the same. You could, at the end of the day, we could say that we too soft, or we too this, or we too that. But when you ride or die for somebody that you really check for and you really care, and they mess you up, you know, we as women, we will want to come down from there and check ourselves and figure out, you know, our next move, our next step, or where we want to go. So as for me, I'm doing this channel. I love what I do, and not everybody is gonna like what I do, right? So there are times that I will take to bring my content to the forefront for everyone to see. And I try my best. I really try my best to bring good content to those who are on my platform, and maybe others to come, right? And it's not all the time we will get it right. And they always say practice until it becomes perfect, right? Sometimes we practice as best as, and it's still not good for maybe others or ourselves. So in retrospect, I have to take my time and feel out what I like and come up with creative ideas or things, like my cooking channel and my cleaning and my travel and my church thing I do with my mom from time to time, you know. So there's so many things that I would want to talk about, but now is not the time to really put it all out there, you know. But there will come a time when I will be able to talk to not only ladies my age, but younger girls and young ladies, you know. But in time to come, I will address certain things. But for now, I just want to take my time and come out of the country and see what it have out there for me, quote unquote. Okay, so guys, continue to thumbs up the video. Yes, there's a video that I'm supposed to be dropping, right? It's a cleaning video of the living room and putting the dining room together. There's that video. So I'm gonna drop that, but I have other videos where will be coming right after it, because I want to clear out my palette, what I have on my phone. So there will be new things dropping ever so often. Okay, I think I dropped a video where I went to Toco. I went the Totally Toco extravaganza bus ride, that sort of thing, and that's a great thing that we all in Trinidad and Tobago should be doing, especially our Trinidadians, you know, getting out there, getting to know what our country have to offer, getting to know how they do things, how they make things, you know, that sort of thing. It's not just a lime, and you know, but educational wise, we need things like that, and I support Totally Toco 100%. So for those who haven't been on a road trip, the road trip or the Foodie Nation tour or the Totally Took, it's something that you all need to get all yourself involved in. Save the money every month, put on $100. Some might be 4 something, some might be 6 something, is according, because you know these people are also putting their lives on the line. It's not a bad thing, you know, lives on the line, or trying to make the little money and paying other people who doing the food and you know that sort of stuff. So come on guys, let's help our country build, grow rural communities. Let's do what we have to do, you know, and be one's keeper. So also on the drum, also my son had bought some stuff, not much, so whole. So he bought a pack of soap. Okay, now the way how things going in this country, every time you're going to grocery, something going up. So he bought this, and I'm going to move this down here a bit. All right, just taking it out because I had to put it away. He bought this because I love a pack of milk, and pineapple. These days I am on a kind of healthy cleansing, cleaning kind of thing, you know, so that's what going on now. He bought this for me. This plastic. Let me see how it is. Alright, 2 packs. I have something to clog and cork, and so I will test it out and see how it is. If it's not good, just send it back. Go back my money. Alright, so guys, it was a pleasure talking to you all. Please like the video, thumbs up the video with just the short haul, and comment, tell a friend of a friend. You had an excuse how I'm looking. Just about to go and change over and clean up my bedroom. And that's it guys. So thank you all for tuning in and liking, sharing, and tell a friend. So bye guys. Hey guys, hey, good morning. So yesterday I cleaned up my bathroom, and I laid down my carpets and everything in my bathroom, and about 6:50 thereof I decided to take a shower, right, after I clean up and everything. And guys, right now my head hurting. It ain't hurting, I just so upset. My hands are swollen because I couldn't even film. I got a batch of mine, and one of my colleagues who I worked with, her husband came and helped me take out the water. Okay, I'm using my camera, I'm using my phone camera to do this vid. The pressure was so high last night that it burst the pipe. I'm going to show you guys how inside my bathroom is looking. So the beautiful black carpet I put, right, the toilet carpet, I had to take it up. It got soaking. This is my sink This is the shower. I'm gonna open my shower and you're gonna see how it's looking. All the mat got soaken. Like I say yesterday, my batch and one of my batch came. That's one of the guys that I train with. All right. So guys, this is what's going on. This is everything here soaken. Soaked today. Look, the culprit. So I called my plumber. He has appointment this morning and I don't know if he will be able to come down the road later to figure this shit out. Excuse me for using the language shit, but I really pissed. I'm very much upset. The pressure of the water was extremely heavy, extremely. My son came, so my son went back up by mommy. Alright, so I just, right now my feet are swollen, my back hurting, my hands are pretty small. So, you know, for me squeezing a set of towel, yeah. So, this is what's going on. Everything right now, I got up early this morning. I got up around 4, a little before 4 o'clock. And I came out and I started to pray. You know, I started to just started to pray, whole guys. So all these things are here, the broom. So I got the carpet, it's wet. Alright. I'll leave on the light in here, boy. This room was soaking wet. Right, all here we had to tie up the it's a bit wet still. Tie up the had to tie up the this. I know below here have water. Below there have water still, I believe so. So this is supposed to be my next closet, but I think I gotta give it to my son. Anyway, that's besides the point. Like I say, a lot of water damage. This mat had a bit of water last night. I'm so upset, guys. I'm so upset. I mean, we know that these things could happen, you understand? And where I am living in Trinidad, when the pressure comes, it comes sometimes. Now all inside here was in my bedroom was wet, all down to the, you know, all there. So like I say, I'm gonna take you guys to I'm gonna take you all to where all the towels are. So I gotta leave this one here on the ground just in case, right? Because I turn off the main and some other things are turned off. All guys. So guys, all out here was wet. All on the side, all on the ground there. Water. So water through the corridor, flow all the way down. So some end up in the dining area side, and then on this side here had water almost to where my elliptical is over there, right? So my mat for here, my welcome mat, is soaking wet. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm throwing it away. So guys, which brings me to the wash area. These are a set of towels. So I have to good sterilize that. We got more towels on top here. Alright. I got towels in the in my washing machine. So I had to turn off the pump switch, right? The amount of water, like the pressure, the level of the pressure was too much. My pump and all started to leak, right? Only when I went outside, because I decided to fill my tanks last night, and this is what, you know, I had to turn off the switch. So guys, this morning I just not 100%. I just, you know, when it rains it pours. We have had fluctuation of current. My water heater, that is why when I come on here I just be smiling with, I just be smiling, you know, just be happy to be alive, because I am alive, you know. And this is one thing I keep saying to people, you know, serve God with gladness, with everything. Just serve God, and everything is going to flow the way it's supposed to flow. Yes, we have bumps and bruises along the way we get these things, and with all these testimony to welcome, you know, the triumph of, you know, enduring certain things. Today's a new day, and I love my Lord. I am in the land of the living. I am happy. I am elated. I am over the moon and stars to know that I have a roof over my head, food in my stomach, you know, my family is alive, everybody's all right, well, more or less, because I mean, let's be real, things have a way of just, you know, touching us and breaking us down in ways that we don't even know. But nevertheless, I'm good. I am really, really good. Minor things, you know. There's always a setback for a great comeback, and yeah, my comeback is going to be better than, trust me when I tell you guys. So guys, I added a video onto this, and you will see why I added the video. And I just want to tell my son, I love you, son. I really, really do. Your mother loves you. And God is good. God is good, guys. God is good. So nobody know where I came from to where I am at now. So God is good. And I'm not just crying about what going on in the bathroom, but I'm good. So excuse how I'm looking this morning. I'm all over the place. Love my Lord. So thanks again. Please thumbs up the video, like, share, tell a friend, and may God bless you all, and cover your kids, cover your family. If this camera is shaking, it's because it's not on a tripod. So love in the house, everyone. Bye.